Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital may be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another Forex video, yes. On the last video, on the last time my last trade got triggered, the stop loss was triggered after, so I lost 10% of my profit. Because the stop loss was really tight. It was maybe here at this level. Yes, exactly. It was here at this level, and and if as this trade here, as this candle here gone above this level, yes, the stop loss got triggered, and I was out of the trade, something like this, yes, because this was a key level for me, and we were here somewhere, and then the trade is gone against me, and then it was traded, but it was only 10%. But I will not enter into a trade now because I'm waiting for the next candle. That means tomorrow. Tomorrow I will wait today. And you see, we get here some kind, okay, we have a downtrend, and I'm still believing that price will go down, yes, because the EMAs are telling me this, and also the complete, yes, and also the price action on the higher time frame. But important, what I want to show you in this video is the importance of this engulfing candle here, which is forming. So first of all those trades and all those things which I'm explaining here are based on those things which I have explained in my ebook. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instrument. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you'll find also the link to the Facebook group. Join the Facebook group, don't miss it. So yes, I wait till today. What's happening with this running candle, because you see it's a daily chart, and if this candle will be a bearish engulfing candle, I will do a put here, and I'm gonna sell. Yes, and then expecting that we are getting a downtrend again. Yes, it looks more like we are getting here in some kind of ranging market. You see here the high waves, yes. But anyway, if also ranging market, there is a nice profit area here, yes, to get if this will end as an engulfing candle. But first of all, it has to end up as an engulfing candle. Before this, I will not enter into a trade because it could be also only a consolidation area between the 50 and the 20 EMA, and then price would break out and going against the against the 100 EMA, and so it would go against my trade again. Yes, and that is not in my that is not what I want to do. So, and that's the reason why I'm waiting. So let me see what the weekly chart is telling me. If this is going in the favor, yes, you see we have here a huge candle, and that is the weekly. So on the week we can get here another nice bearish candle, because that looks like here consolidation area around the 100 EMA. Yes, and that could be really that we are getting down again. Yes, because this looks like a nice retracement of this complete downtrend. Yes, here we have a lot of inside candles here. Look at this. These are inside that are all inside. Then we break out of this, and then we got up again, and now we are getting down again. So if this will be an engulfing candle, this would be a nice entry point to to go into a put, but it has to end up as an engulfing candle on the one daily chart. So let me see what the monthly chart is. Yes, we got a retracement here of this downtrend too. At the 20 EMA. So yes, you know, if you know the 1 minute chart, you know how this could look like. A bearish candle, a bullish candle, a bearish candle, bullish candle, something like this, till price will break down, yes, and go down further. Yes, that is what's about. We have here also, you see, some kind of area here on the monthly basis, basis. You see here this area. If this will be broken, then there will be a nice coming downtrend. Yes. Okay, so that was it already. I want to inform you only that I'm waiting, I'm ready to enter into a trade, but on the daily chart, this candle has to form and this has to get or engulfing candle or some other candle which shows me that there will be a reversal. If this will be a doji, I will wait for the next candle. Yes, depending, because you see we got here a strong area. Here the 1.16 is really strong because price which reacted on it a few times now. So it's a nice area that could be also already now a good entry point, but I will be sure this time, and that means I have to wait till I get here some kind of evidence in form of an engulfing candle, because if we get here an engulfing candle, that could be also strong enough, this upcoming downtrend, to break the 20 EMA downwards, yes, and then it would start another downtrend. Okay, so that was it. So like always, if you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye.